What's going on? What's going on? What's happening, guys? Guess what? Today we are going to make some fried green tomatoes. They're going to be off the chain. So what's happening is this. I got my stations. One is for the flour and the seasoning. This guy right here is, you'll see me get down with it. It's 2 eggs and some milk. And then this guy is for the cornmeal. I use white cornmeal. Here we go. You don't want them too thick now. You don't want them too thin either. Yeah, like that one right there. Come on, man. Fried green tomatoes. This is from the South. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What y'all know about that right there, players? What you know, that's that Cajun seasoning. Just want to sprinkle enough in there to get in there and manipulate. You don't want to put too much now. Come on now. You can go with the onion powder and all this stuff, but I'm not. I'm going to put some black pepper. Gotta have the black pepper. All up in there like that. Just a grain, just a grain. Be real careful with this salt, man. Jesus, I just need I don't like a lot of salt, so I'm using a fork, man. That's not a problem. Get that going. Let's crack these eggs, get them going. Boom, 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 clap, doo doo doo, clap, doo clap, doo doo doo, clap, boom, boom. I should make a song called Fried Green Tomatoes. And just be very careful with the young milk. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we got going. Oh yeah, man. This guy is going to contain the cornmeal. Get ready to do my thing. Now here's the cold part. You can still put some seasoning in the cornmeal, which in this case, I like to do garlic powder. Just a little bit of garlic powder in there, just like that. Yeah. Use peanut oil, y'all. So let's get this going. I'll fill this up all the way until, there it is. I need to have it about like that. I need this. I don't know if you can see that in there, but just making sure that both sides is covered real good. Then you go this guy here like that. Then you take it in here. Boom. Just like that. Then you take the excess stuff, say it's in here, just like that. Then you shake that off. See that? Yeah, it's going down. Throw that there like that. Off to the next. See that? Oh yes. On and cracking, we're gonna drop them down. Let's get this party started now. Wait a minute, hold on. Look at that. Oh, they doing these little to the sizzle. Ooh, wee. Y'all not see what I see? I don't know about that one right there. Trying to get my chef going on real quick with these fried green tomatoes. What y'all know about fried green tomatoes? Well, I'm telling you, they off the chain, man, if you do them right. They are off the chain if they are done right.